Hello everyone. In this session, I'll talk about what is the difference between container and virtual machine. So as shown in the video, a virtual machine stack basically have a hypervisor which provides the virtualization abstraction, and each application bundles its own operating system along with the required library. So eventually with virtualization, you run multiple OS instances. Containers, on the other hand, share a single operating system. The container engine runs on a given operating system and provide abstraction to multiple containers running on it. Hence, the container bundles only the required libraries and the required application, which makes it lightweight, fast, and portable. So this completes our session on virtualization and container technology. In our next session, I'll talk about what is a cloud platform. Till then, happy learning.